Hello everyone. Please open to page number 76 of your books. This is a new chapter and it's very interesting as well. It's changing names. The name is changing names. So you all must know around the world there are many places which has our old name and it has been named as new name as well. Okay, so both the names you all need to know. There are many places, even for if you all don't know, Kolkata, where we live, Kolkata was previously named as Calcutta. You all must have heard about Calcutta. Now it is named as Kolkata. So similarly, there are many places which has these names. Before starting to this chapter, let's read out the list where the list is given, which has an old name and a new name. All over the world, all around the world, there are places which has old name and new name. So old name is Ceylon, and the Ceylon now it is named as Sri Lanka. Constantinople, it is now named as Istanbul. Peking is now named as Beijing. Persia, now named as Iran. Siam, now named as Thailand. Abyssinia, it is actually called Abyssinia. Abyssinia, it is now named as Ethiopia, and Burma, it is now named as Myanmar. This is for your information. You all must know. But for your exam, you all only need to know all these 11 old names and new names. Fine, I'll be telling you all the match the following I have done for you. You all only need to learn all these 11 names. Exam purpose, this is not coming. This is coming, but for your information, you all must know all these old names and new names as well. Okay, let's come to the first one. It is Calcutta. Calcutta matches with C, option C, Kolkata. So write over here C. C, as I have written, please write over here C. Calcutta matches with option C, Kolkata. Okay, second one is Trichy. Old name is Trichy and the new name is Tiruchirappalli. It is Tiruchirappalli, option F. Tiruchirappalli, I have written over here F. I hope everyone can see. If you can't, please write in the box the option which matches with the old name. Okay, Trichy matches with Tiruchirappalli. The old name is Trichy and the new name is Tiruchirappalli. Okay, write over here F. Come to the third one. Old name is Bombay. Now it is named as Mumbai. Now option G, Mumbai. Write over here G, Mumbai. Okay, come to the fourth one. Madras. Now it is named as Chennai. It is option E, Chennai. It is option E, Chennai. Okay, come to the fifth one. Kanpur. Kanpur, it was previously named as Kanpur. Now it is named as Kanpur. Option A, Kanpur. Okay, come to the sixth one. It is Cochin. Earlier it was named as Cochin. Now it is named as option D, Kochi. See, D, Kochi. It is named as Kochi. See the spelling as well. Everyone must write this spelling only. Okay, come to the seventh one. Pondicherry. Pondicherry was the previous name. Now it is named as Puducherry. Okay, Pondicherry is now named as Puducherry. Option B, it is Puducherry. Okay, come to the eighth one. Benares. Benares was the previous old name and now it is named as Varanasi. Option I, it is Varanasi. Okay, Varanasi. Come to the ninth one. Gurgaon. Gurgaon was the old name. Now it is named as Gurugram. It is option K, Gurugram. It is option A, K, Gurugram. I have written over here K. Come to the 10th one. Trivandrum. Trivandrum was the old name. Now it is named as Thiruvananthapuram. Okay, it is named as Thiruvananthapuram. Everyone please see the spelling as well. If you all know the pronunciation, it will be easier for you all to learn the spelling as well. Okay, write over here H, option H, Thiruvananthapuram. 11, Baroda. Old name is Baroda and the new name is option J, Vadodara. Option J, Vadodara. Okay, please learn this list, all these 11 old names and the new names as well. You all can make a list as well. Similarly it is done over here, old name, new name. Similar list you all can make. In fact, this match the following is just an option given over here. You all must learn it as a chart only. Write old name, write all these names. On the right hand column, write new name and write the new names accordingly. It will be easier for you all to learn. If any problem occurs in this chapter, please do let me know. Okay, thank you everyone. Bye.